During this time of the year, crafts lovers from all over the country make their way to Surajkund on the outskirts of New Delhi for the International Crafts Mela. Many craftspersons from the northeastern states are also participating at the ongoing 29th edition of the event. Take a look.
Avi Sema, a young entrepreneur from Nagaland, is selling a variety of colorful artificial flowers at the Surajkund International Crafts Fair. These wide ranges of intricately designed flowers are selling like hotcakes in the fair. Avi, who is participating at the fair for the last 2 years, is enthusiastic about participating in the coming years.
बहुत अच्छा हुआ इधर कस्टमर बहुत अच्छा आता है और हम लोग मेहनत करता है वो बार्गेनिंग नहीं करता है और हम लोग का बहुत रिस्पांस अच्छा मिलता है इसमें.
Every year I just came here to buy different things because here you can buy all the national, like from every state from India and also from international, like in Kazakhstan we can buy and some other country we are also buying. For this stall I like the most all these flowers, and this is basically from Nagaland, and it's for a different prices but it's very beautiful.
The annual 15-day-long Surajkund International Crafts Mela showcases the finest handlooms, handicrafts and cuisines from across the country and abroad. This year, more than 700 artisans from 18 countries are exhibiting a variety of products. Radhamani Devi, a National Award winner artisan from Manipur, is showcasing her handloom creations at the fair for the third time. She is happy with the response from the customers.
हमारे सेल वो बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, हमारे माल भी ख़त्म हो रहा है, हमने तो फिर मणिपुर से मान भेजने के लिए बोला है.
It is a platform for all the people from all over India. As we come here, we have a look on each and every stall, and even if we want like the upcoming small businessmen who don't know where to go and what to do and where to get the things from. So we come here, we look at the stalls, okay, these stuffs, we make contacts over here, and this is basically a boom up for a businessman also and for the person from different states also.
Craftsmen and artisans from the Northeast who participated in the fair have earned appreciation from visitors for their exquisite handiworks. Sukumar Debnath, an artisan from Tripura who has been participating in the fair since 2008, displayed a range of cane and bamboo products at his stall and is doing a good business.
मैं यहाँ पर 2008 से आ रहा हूँ और रेस्पॉन्स अच्छा है यहाँ का. ये मेला हम लोग इसका वेट करते रहते हैं कि ये मेला में आओ, और नॉर्थ इंडिया में जितना भी मेले होते हैं सब में अटेंड करके लास्ट ये मेला पड़ते हैं, तो इसके बाद हम लोग वापस घर चले जाते हैं.
The northeastern region has a rich legacy of handicraft and handloom work, and such national and international events give the artisans from the remotest parts of the region a platform to reach out to a wider market.